Good evening from Grand Palmy Farm. It's December 29th, 2024, about 4:15. Yeah, this ground is just sopping wet. It rained again last night, and the sun did come out somewhat, but not enough to dry up the puddles. We're gonna bring that parts truck down here, but it's way too wet, so I'm gonna have to set up in the driveway on the trailer until the ground freezes, I guess. And then we'll bring it over here and kind of put it in the deadline row until we get the parts off of it that we need. Anyway, it's been a really productive day, and it was nice to see the sun and visit the family, being it's Sunday. Still can't wait for spring.